Hello everyone, my name is Nguyen and I'm a trainer at 4pixos Academy. Welcome all of you to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will continue to learn about an improved feature in Corona 10, which is Corona Lister. Corona Lister is a very useful feature, helping you quickly select and adjust the parameter of an object without having to search through countless objects in the scene. In previous versions, Corona 9 and earlier, the Corona Lister were only set up to adjust the lines. Since version Corona 10, Chaos has upgraded and allows you to adjust to more subjects, specifically cameras, displacement, lines, and proxy, along with some more flexible customization. First, let's navigate to the camera tab. Here, all Corona camera created in the scene will be listed below, including the V-Ray camera. If you create a new Corona cam, it will immediately appear in this list. Within this tab, you can rename the camera, quickly select the camera without searching in the Toggle Player Explorer, making operation faster. Adjust field of view or focal length. Activate the depth of field effect for the camera. Quickly adjust parameters such as f-stop or shutter speed. And you can also override tone mapping for specific cameras. This tab lists all material assigned to displacement in the scene. To select the object assigned this displacement, click here. Within this table, you can change the material name by double-clicking. The change name will also update in the material. Toggle displacement on or off. Adjust the displacement level by modifying the minimum and maximum levels. Similar to previous version, this tab lists all the lines in the view. Here you can change the name. Quickly select lines without searching in the viewport. Turn lines on or off. Adjust the intensity. Modify color temperature mode. And control all necessary parameters for adjusting and controlling the lines. And in Corona 10, Chaos has made the necessary update. The first one is grouping instant lines more clearly, and the second one is adding control for Corona line material. Furthermore, you can manage proxy objects. Similar to other tabs, you can quickly select and adjust necessary parameters for proxies. Moreover, in each tab, you can adjust the display parameters by selecting column visibility. And that's all for today's video. Thank you and we look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos.